Today we're gonna draw more Lion King. We're gonna draw Simba as a baby and as Simba as an adult after he grew up, okay? So we'll do a young Simba and then an old Simba. So first, let's do the baby Simba, okay? Okie dokie. Let's start with his nose in the middle, right here in the middle of the square, okay? We're gonna do one line like this. And then it's gonna look like a jelly bean, okay? Watch. We're gonna do a U shape like this, okay? And we're gonna do his nostrils. 2 ovals. And I don't know if you remember this, but last time we drew a face like this before, okay? I think it was with a bunny. We're gonna do this oval circle thing like this. An oval circle thing to the middle. Good job. And then on the bottom of that, we're gonna add a small rectangle to this mouth, okay? Very good so far, okay? Okay, now we're gonna draw his eyes. They are triangle but rounded in corners, okay? So watch. Ready? Okay. So we'll do this and then round it to the bottom, okay? And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, round it on the bottom. Okay. And on the inside we'll draw his eyeball, okay? Eyeball, and then black in the middle. Okay. And now we're gonna do his hair, okay? So I'm gonna go up here, draw this. This is the top of his head. And then we'll draw his ear. They're big round ears, okay? So not giant, but big. Like I'm doing a round circle and it stops here at his eye, okay? From here, we're gonna go from the corner, we're gonna go down into the mouth, okay? Into the mouth. Good job. Okay, same thing on the other side, okay? The other side, round it and then into the mouth, okay? From here, we're gonna draw his chest hair, just like our cat Sesame. He's got some fuzzy here, okay? So the little jaggedy lines.
And is this when he grows up?
This is when he's a baby, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna draw his front legs. Front leg here and front leg here, okay, left and right. And then we're gonna do the paw, oval, okay? Oval paw. Same thing on this side, paw. Okay, good job, very good. And then we're gonna connect the legs, okay? And then we're gonna draw his tummy, his bottom, this thing down, and connect that. Good job. And then here, we're going to draw his hind leg, okay, because he's sitting down, curves out here, and then draw the paw, okay? The back leg, back paw foot, okay?
Daddy, usually on lines, foot is usually like this, watch.
And same thing on the other side.
It has lumps.
Yeah.
It has lumps.
We'll add the lines on there, okay? Good job, Charlotte. Okay.
Daddy, usually
you can add the small lines in there for toes, okay?
And the lines only have this.
Okay. And then
they have this circle inside.
Okay. And then hold on. Then we're gonna add the tail, short tail, okay? Because he's still a baby cub. So short tail.
I'm gonna do a really short tail.
Okay.
Not too short.
Okay. We're gonna add a little bit of hair here. He's got a little bit of baby fuzz, just a little bit, okay? And we're gonna add this line to his ear. Okay, so this is gonna go up from here and goes into the ear like this. And there you go, good job. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then that's gonna come down here actually and make it black. Okay. The tip is black. Yeah, curve down. There we go. And same thing on this side, we're going to do a curve and then color it down here. Just on one side. Yep, there we go. Good job. And yeah, and then we're going to add a little line here to connect his face. There we go. Now we're going to draw a big Simba, okay? after he grows up. Okay, so we're gonna start the same place. We're gonna start in the middle with his nose first, okay? Nose first. So we're gonna do that jelly bean shape. Jelly bean shape, okay? Jelly bean shape, nose. I made a mistake here, okay? And then we're gonna draw the nostril. Nostrils. Nostrils. Nostrils, okay? 2 small jelly beans. We will do the 2 circles on each side, okay? So, and it goes into the middle and goes up, okay? Circle, goes in the middle and up, okay? Very good. Okay, watch, watch, watch. His bottom of his mouth is bigger now because he's grown up, okay? So this is gonna be a little bit bigger. See how this is small? This is big, okay? Okay, very good.
Really good.
Okay, and now we're gonna draw his eyes, okay? His eyes are different too now because he's bigger. So we're gonna do this big eye, okay? And then same thing on the other side. We're gonna do a big eye. And we're gonna connect this to his mouth too, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. Charlotte, pay attention, okay? This, from here, we're gonna draw a line out here, and then come down into the mouth, okay? Go down, go left, very good. Okay, and the same thing on this side. We're gonna go left, go down, and then connect to the mouth, okay? Very good, Charlotte. Okay, and then now we're gonna add the outline around his eye. Okay, so this is gonna go like this. And then it's gonna connect to his face. And then same thing on this side. We're gonna go up. And then it's gonna come here and then connect to his mouth. Okay? Now he looks more like a lion now, right? Good job. And then go to the right, to the right. No, you gotta go right. So turn right. Keep. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have the eyeball in the middle, black. Okay. All right. So now he's all grown up. He has a lot of hair. He has a huge mane. So we're gonna draw the mane right now. Okay. So it's gonna go down to his face, like this. And then same thing on the other side. It's gonna go to his side of his face. Okay. And the top part here, very good. And the top part here, it's gonna come down this way. And then the ears over here, okay? And then come down. Zigzag, okay? Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the other side, okay? And then his ear is gonna be on this side over here, okay? Circle, half a circle. And then we're gonna come down here, a zig, and down here, a zag, and then come down here, another zig, and then we're gonna connect it here, okay? Another zig, zag.
We don't have room for his body.
Oh, his body is covered up by the mane, so just connect your zigzag. There you go, good job. And the same thing on the other side, okay? Connect it, just connect it, just connect it. There you go. Okay, very good. Okay. Now we're gonna draw his legs, okay? Because his body is covered up by the mane. So front leg here. His paws are bigger now because he's all grown up. Big paws, okay? Big paws. Okay. Okay, same thing on this side. Big paw, big tiger. I mean lion. Okay? Okay. And then his hind leg here comes out, and then we have a big paw too, okay? 1, 2, 3. And same thing on the other side. Very big, okay? Charlotte, you're blocking me, I can't see.
You're blocking me.
I'm not blocking anything,
I
Charlie.
can see theirs.
Tail.
You wait for me.
Sure.
Okay.
And then draw the tail. Okay, it's a bigger bush. Bigger fur.
Humongous.
Okay. So that is Simba when he was younger and Simba when he got older. Okay, now we're gonna color them.